Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install anti-malware bytes for free on Windows. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and type malware bytes download, okay? And enter. So this is the official website where you can download malware bytes for free, okay? And here you can also download. Just click on that. So there is two option for Mac, for Windows. So I'm going to download for Windows, free download. Click on that. It's downloading down here, as you can see, and click on the setup to install Malwarebytes setup, okay? And click yes, and then click on install. For you and your family, or for your organization, you can choose the option. So I'm going to choose for myself. Next. Yes, installing, very easy, very simple. So if you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with friends. It is more antivirus. You can scan your computer for malware and virus. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you.